Hello and welcome back to Amazon Selling Hustle. In this video, we will discuss how best to use the course content that you'll see going forward. Let's go. So step one, make sure to watch all the videos. For those who want to take notes, can do so. Once you've watched the course, step two, go and begin your business exactly how I lay it out. This is how I found with online courses, people will learn best. Step three, write down your goals. Financial goals, break it down to a per day, per month, per year. Write down some dream goals, toys you might want, traveling you might want to do, things you might want, home, cars, etc., boats. I use a whiteboard, as you can see behind me. I have one to my left as well. On it, I break that down. I break all those down, all my goals down, and I schedule it. I prefer the whiteboard over like a book because I can't hide it. I see it every day. Step four, write your actions for the week on your whiteboard or in your notebook. Write your Monday to Friday, or actually I'd write my Monday to Sunday down. And then step five, clock in and clock out. Try to put as much work in as possible every day, especially in the beginning, because that's where you're going to make the biggest impact in your business is the first 30 days. You can now start your product research, and from there you can meet your day-to-day set tasks and goals and cross them off as you move along. Option two is you can go to module 10 and print out the fast track checklist and follow along with my action plan, which is a very, very compressed action plan, taking you through about 5 days of getting your business going. I do still recommend, if you're going to do the fast track, that you watch all the content and all the videos in this course. Once you are done watching all the videos, print the bonus fast track action plan. There are 30 steps over a course of 5 days. I will be doing a case study. It'll be exclusive in the Facebook group. You can follow along with me and all the steps I do, and then duplicate that with what you want to do. My goal is to put in as much time daily with each step as I can. With that goal in mind, I want to find my product that I'm going to buy within the first 3 days. Now note, you may not be able to spend that much time. You may have a full-time job. That's totally understandable. It does require, if you're going to do fast track, at least 4 to maybe in some occasions 10 hours of effort in a day. But just remember, it's over the course of the first 5 days. In between those 5 days, there will be a break. After the 3rd day, that break is for your product to arrive at Amazon. So the shipping time could be 7 to 10 days, plus the production time. Could have it in stock already, or you may need 2 to 3 weeks. Your factory may need 2 to 3 weeks to produce the product, during which time you can do other things. We'll talk about that later on in the course. And then the balance 2 days are going to be when your product arrives at Amazon, and you're going to attack it again with that fast track checklist.